18th September 2020 marks the 12th anniversary of IndianMoney.com. Yes, we have completed 12 full years of operation. I just can't believe it's been 12 years since we started. I still feel as if we started a year back. The journey started to help Indians make wise financial decisions has come a long way. We have helped over 8 million people make wise financial decisions since 2008. We started IndianMoney.com to help people save enough, spend less, invest wisely, and borrow consciously. The best part of our journey is that we started talking about financial literacy, financial education even before the regulators and the government. Our efforts to make Indians financially literate has not gone unnoticed. We've been recognized by the Government of India, Reserve Bank of India, the World Bank, various global forums, and almost every media. After spending 12 long years helping people learn money management, we are now taking a step ahead to help people earn more. Yes, this is the need of the hour. India being the second most populated country in the world, it is being considered as the youngest country in the world, as we have over 65% of our population aged below 35 and over 50% of our population aged below 25. But our per capita income is one of the lowest in the world. Our per capita income is about 2,300 US dollars, which means it's about 1.8 lakh rupees. We stand 139th globally, whereas our neighbor China, which is more populated than us, has a per capita income of over 10,000 US dollars, which means China's per capita income is 4 times higher than India. Why? Why is this happening? What do we lack? What needs to be done? How do we change this? Over 60% of India's population is dependent on agriculture, but contribution of agriculture to India's GDP is less than 18%. Isn't it sad? Yes, it is. If you consider this as sad, here are some more facts which will make you realize that we are far away from our dream to build Atmanirbhar Bharat, our developed Bharat. Over 75,000 crore worth rupees honey is being sold globally annually. But India is exporting just about 800 crore worth honey. Over 75 lakh crore worth handicrafts is being sold globally every year. But India is exporting just about 15,000 crore worth handicrafts to global market. The value of fish farming market globally is about 20 lakh crore, but India is exporting just 47,600 crore, which is less than 2.5% of the total global market. Isn't it sad? I can go on and on with these facts. These facts will make us sleepless, restless. I agree, we can't change these numbers overnight, but we can certainly change these numbers over time with the help of our greatest strength. Yes, our youth. Our youth is our greatest strength. On this special day, on our 12th anniversary, we are redefining our mission statement as our mission is to help people earn more, save enough, spend less, invest wisely, and borrow consciously. Yes, you got it right. We are adding earn more to our mission statement. We are committed to increase the per capita income of Indians from $2,300 to $5,000 by 2025. Yes, we are committed to make it happen. But you may ask me, is this practical? It's not about whether it is practical or not. It's about the livelihood of over 100 crore Indians. We have to make this happen. At IndianMoney.com, we are already on job to make this happen. With the launch of Financial Freedom app, we are truly committed to build a truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's just been 6 months since we launched Financial Freedom app We already have over 2 million people using Financial Freedom app to increase their income and to earn more. We are now making a progress from just a financial education company to a financial and livelihood education company. We already have over 35 courses on personal finance, career, business, and farming to help people increase their income. These courses are uniquely designed with the help of experts to deliver high quality training to our youths. Our Financial Freedom show on India's #1 English news channel, Republic, and the most popular Kannada news channel, Suvarna News, is helping us reach more people. Our YouTube channels collectively got over 1 million subscribers. Our Facebook channels in 6 languages reach over 1 million people every day. Our newspaper columns on Vijayawani and Prajavani are helping us reach over 1 crore Kannadigas every week. Our website indianmoney.com receives over 500,000 daily visits. With these strengths, we are now fully geared up to build truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. This journey wouldn't have been so rewarding without the help of our team, our customers, our associates, our partners, our investors, and of course, my family. On this special day, I would love to thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I need your continued love and support. Let's unite to build Atmanirbhar Bharat. Jai Hind.